Alright, so you've decided to dip your toes into the crypto world. Maybe you've heard about Bitcoin, Ethereum, or some other shiny new coin. You're excited about the potential, but there's one question looming large: is your crypto safe? Specifically, is Newton Crypto insured? Let's dive in. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty of insurance, let's talk about why this even matters. Crypto is volatile. The market can swing wildly in either direction. But that's not the only risk. Hacks, scams, and lost passwords can wipe out your entire portfolio in the blink of an eye. That's where insurance comes in. It's like a safety net, right? So, is Newton Crypto insured? Well, the short answer is, it's complicated. Newton does offer some level of protection, but it's not your typical insurance policy. They use a combination of security measures and third-party partnerships. Let's break it down. First off, Newton employs a bunch of security protocols to protect your crypto. They talk about things like cold storage, where most of your crypto is stored offline. This makes it harder for hackers to steal your coins. They also mention regular security audits and penetration testing. Basically, they're trying to find vulnerabilities before the bad guys do. But here's where it gets interesting. Newton has partnered with a company called CoinCover. Now, CoinCover doesn't provide traditional insurance, but they do offer something called a guarantee. This guarantee covers the theft or loss of crypto assets held by Newton, up to a certain amount. However, there are some catches. The guarantee doesn't cover everything. Losses due to negligence, fraud, or your own mistakes aren't covered. And remember, Newton isn't a bank. Your crypto isn't FDIC insured. So, if Newton goes belly up, you might be out of luck. So, is Newton Crypto insured? Kind of. They have security measures in place, and they offer some protection through their partnership with CoinCover. But it's not full-fledged insurance. You need to understand the risks and take steps to protect yourself. One important thing to remember is that the world of crypto is constantly changing. Regulations are evolving, and new security measures are being developed all the time. So, what's true today might not be true tomorrow. It's crucial to stay informed and up to date. Now, I know this might sound a bit overwhelming. Crypto can be confusing, and the security aspect adds another layer of complexity. But don't let that scare you off. Crypto offers incredible potential, but it's important to approach it with caution. Do your research, understand the risks, and only invest what you can afford to lose. And remember, diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different cryptocurrencies and platforms. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Stay safe out there, crypto explorers.